My favorite question I get all the time is, have you looked at my Zestimate? What's my house worth on Zillow? I'm gonna be really honest, guys. Why would you trust a Zestimate? Have they been in your home? Do they know what you've done to the house? Do they know if you sit on the middle of a sewer line? No. Zillow is great for a lot of things, and I like to think of it more as a tool like Google. It's a great searching tool. You have access, it pulls from data like tax records and MLS systems, and it puts it all in front of you. And that part's amazing. But it's not up to date, and what it's pulling from, aka the tax records, are not always up to date or accurate. So you have to understand that what you're dealing with is an amalgamation of information that isn't actually contextualized. So you need to talk to a realtor to really hone in on, oh, I don't know, is your condo unit on a higher floor? Is that worth more? Do you have a storage unit that comes with the unit? Does your house have a brand new pool in the backyard that's an extra $100,000 in equity? Have you finished out the basement? None of this is going to be found online, so why would you expect the Zestimate to reflect that? In 2016, the CEO of Zillow sold his house for 40% less than his online Zestimate. He then went and bought a house in California and spent 8% more than what was on Zillow for the Zestimate. He's even gone on the record stating that the Zestimates aren't accurate at all. So you have to understand, they know that their own product is faulty. So why should you trust it? Talk to your realtor, aka me, and let's really hone in on what your pricing should be. Any questions? Anytime. I'm here for you.